My name is Shima. I did for my face and NanoFat and MicroFat and subcision. I visited so many clinics before for my scars, but I didn't get any result.
I am Dr. Ehsan from Eden Aesthetic Clinic. This treatment is using of the fat of the patient for two purposes. One is for the volume replacement and also for skin rejuvenation, because NanoFat is rich of the stem cell, and stem cell can make a lot of collagen, elastin, and make a rejuvenation and regeneration of the skin, removing the scar tissue, as you can see. This injection is minimally invasive, no any cutting and no downtime.
After 7 days, I'm back to clinic for the checking, and as I can see it, how my face is changing. The staff, they was very friendly and kind, and they explained for me everything from A to Z. So I know what's going on for my face. Thank you so much, Eden Clinic.